Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nafula. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I highly recommend that you subscribe. But if you've already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching my videos. So if you've not watched my video about the house, you can watch my other video that I posted last week, which I showed you the whole house. So today I'm going to take you on a tour of one room that we already furnished. So this room is completely furnished, looks really nice. So I'll be showing you in a tour. So if you want to see the tour of where, if you win the DV lottery, even if you didn't win this year, you'll win next year, where you'll be staying. If you do not have a host, stick around and watch the tour, and then you can tell me. I need feedback, like what I need to change, what I did good or whatever, positive, negative feedback, so that I can know how to furnish the other rooms. Also, just be aware that we have financial issues, so as much as I want to do something like high end, I cannot at this time because it's expensive. Stick around and let's go on the tour. So today, as you know, like if you haven't watched the video, my previous video, I posted about a DV lottery house. So I'm going to show you a room, like a single person room. So we are furnishing one at a time. So I'm going to show you a complete room that has been furnished. I'm not going to add anything to it other than the flowers here and there or some deco here and there. But other than that, it's going to look like this. So if a DV lottery winner would like a single room, and they're free, they're welcome to put more stuff if they want. As you know, this is a short-term stay, so it's not going to be like a permanent residence for you. So you get here, and then once you get a job, you get your own place. Once you move out, somebody else wins a DV lottery, maybe next year, a year after, can be able to use this space. So like I say, comfort is my first priority. I just want to, I want you to experience the American experience. So I'm trying to make the room so that they're a little bit comfortable for you. I'm not going to get too high end. I'm just going to make it so that at least when you come from Africa, it's a place that you can find comfort, you can find peace, you can find relaxation, you can find all that. And as you can see, the room is very comfortable. It looks really fancy. At least for me, I don't know about you, but I feel like we did a pretty good job. So I'm going to be showing you around. This is a single person room. So it's just one bed. And it has a full bathroom and it has a storage. So I'm just going to show you around to just get a rough idea, like if it's a DV lottery winner needs a single room with a full bathroom, what it will look like. So as you can see there, that's a door. So that will be your door, and you can lock it. So you can lock it. There's a lock here. So it's a lock, and then you'll have your own key so that somebody doesn't get into your room. There's a light switch right there. There's a couple of outlets, and you have a desk here. So if you want to read or anything, like if you go to school or you want to just write something, there's a table and a chair, and you can see like it's a wood and it's very very sturdy. So you have a desk there. I put a television here, but it's not gonna stay here because I'm gonna put it on the wall. I just need to buy the stand or whatever, the attachment that goes on the wall, before I put it on the wall. So that's why the television is right here, but otherwise the TV will not be here. So you have a desk. So if you're a student or whatever, you like to read, you can use your laptop there. It's a pretty sizable desk. I put this flower here. I don't know, like if you don't like it, you can add, or we can put it in a different room, but at least you have something there. And then over here you have a mirror and you have a dresser. So and the drawers are pretty big. So as you can see, there's plenty of room here, and you have 6 of them, but they're empty right now. So that's your dresser, and then you have a little mat here, and it has like some pattern so that it's not a little bit boring. We just want to make it a little bit vibrant in here. So you can see the pattern there. You got a dresser, a big mirror if you like to do makeup, if you're a woman, or if you're a man and you like to look good and you want to look at yourself, give yourself reviews before you head out. You have a huge mirror that you can do that. Okay, over here, when you come here, you have 2 windows. So you have that window and then you have the other window. So we put gray. I chose gray because it's a little bit it's kind of like not very screamy, but then not very dull, just to match everything, the furniture in the room. So you see, that's gray. So I try to get a curtain that at least matches the color of the dresser. So this is the closest I came to. And then you have a sheer in the middle, and then these are light or whatever darkening. So when you close it all the way, then it's like nighttime. So we'll just open it up. And then also, like, if you want it, like, you know, you can open the blinds and then you close them like that. So depending on what you want to do. And then with these blinds also, you can just, like, when you press down here and lift it up, it just like slides up. So you can slide it. See the way I'm sliding it? So if you want to look at nature, you can go ahead and do that. So that is our window and our curtain right there. And then after that, you can come here to where your bed is. You see, it's a queen size bed. It's a pretty big bed. We have this cover here. We call it bed cover in Kenya. So you have a bed cover. Again, I chose colors that are not too screamy, but then they're just, like, you know, relaxing. So you have like a kind of like what is it, burgundy or whatever color with a little bit of brown in there. And then over here you have 4 pillows. So you have 2, and then you have the other 2, and then you have this just, like, you know, for decoration, but you can use them. So this one matches the bed cover, but then the pillows, so this pillow right here, it matches the one on your bed, and then the top sheet. That's your bed is right there. So with this bed, as you can see, I put the mat down there, matches the one down there. So you have a mat there, and then you have a bed. And like I said, it's pretty big, and it's not like a boring flat bed. You have this thing that I put here. It's like a metal, which makes it look really nice, and I like it. And then above you, look at that picture right there. We got that. It's like a sea with a boat, you know. It just shows you, like, you know, you cross the ocean or whatever to come to America. So it's a pretty nice picture there. So that's your room there. So for a single room, I'm gonna come over here. So you see how it looks. So on your over there on your right, I don't know if it's on my right, it's on my right, but then it might be on your left when I upload the video. But then on my right is a desk, and then you have a dresser and a mirror. You have a window there, you have a picture, and then you have a bed. And then that's how your room will look like. And then look at this. So you have another window here. So you have shears there, and again, you can open the blinds. You can put them up, put them down, do whatever you want with the blinds. You see, they open to let light in, and then you can just close them. And then over there you have it. I put this AC, window AC, because in this house, as much as we have windows ACs, because I still have to put a central AC. We have central heating, but I need to put a central AC. So I gave they're booked 1 month out. So I put that so that they can use, people are cool before we get the central AC in. So you can see the window. So that is your room. Look at how good it looks. It looks really good. I don't know about you, but this room looks really good. Okay, so that's your room. So you get in through the door. Like I said, the desk. This TV will be right here on this wall. And then you have a desk, you have that. And then when you go around, you have your storage. So with the storage, again, you have hangers. You can put your shoes up here, and then you can put your clothes, hang your clothes, or you can choose to add stuff and put shoes down here. So it's a walk-in closet. See? So walk-in closet, and then when you turn around, you go back to your room. Okay, let's look at the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, and then as you can see, again, you can put whatever you want here, towels. So you have a hand soap dispenser. You have like a mouthwash to use when you get here. You have a couple soaps. You have a toothpaste, and then that's your sink. This is the hot and the cold. Those are my glasses right there. They don't come with the room. And then you have something like, you know, in case you need to put your soap and stuff, you can put in that thing right there. So this is your bathroom, and then you have a place where you can hang the towels. This is the toilet. is sparkling white, which means it's very clean. You have air freshener, you have toilet paper, another toilet paper right there. So this is an extra one. And then you have blinds here. You can open, and that you can see the neighbors. And then here you have a stand. We have extra towel here. You have bathing towels there, and then you have extra stuff over there. And this stand, it's movable, so if you need to move it that way or roll it wherever you want to put it, it's gonna be there. This is a shower curtain. As you can see, it has the inside, and then the outside is a cloth. So you have the two. And then over here you have something you can hang your stuff over there, and that. And then also the bathroom goes right into your room. And then here you have a closet right there. So if you wanna put your medicine, you wanna put your makeup, you wanna put extra supplies, you have like a little storage in here. So this one, like, it can fit like a couple. Like if it's two people, they can easily share this room, or if they're married, they can share the room. Then so this is the bathroom. Walks right into your room, and then around it you walk into your closet. Okay, that's the end of the room tour for a single room DV lottery winner that has like a full bathroom, a storage, and just a room. So you see how good it looks. So we want people to actually be comfortable. So, and people are asking, like, what are more information about the hosting. When I host you, I just give you a room. That's all I give you. So you'll get a room. So when you come from Africa, just be prepared. It's a lot of expenses here. If you have not watched my video about the cost of DV lottery, like how much it will cost you after you win, it's in one of the videos. So if you go browse the videos, you'll get a video where I talk about like how much it costs after you win the DV lottery. So you need to bring your own money. Once you get here, you need food. If I'm not available, I work full-time, I got kids, I have a family, I have a life going on. So like if you come here, come prepared to research, come prepared with money. So in case if you need to go somewhere, you can get an Uber, or you can use a bus. The good thing about this house is close to where bus line is, so you can get a bus and then go to wherever you want to go. Like if you want to go to a DMV to get like a license or whatever, ID, with a driving test, we can take you to that. I can do it myself, so I can take you to a driving test. So that's the stuff that we can do. If for jobs, usually what I do, we have agencies. So to begin with, like we'll go to an agency to just put you somewhere, place you somewhere, anywhere to begin. And then once you have at least cash flow coming in, then you can have time to look for a better job. But just know that when you come here, I'm not financing anything other than giving you a room, because look at it, I host a lot of people. So if I literally like finance everybody, I'm gonna go broke trying to help people. And also like I can't afford it, I cannot afford it. So that's the thing. And then also people are asking if we host kids. We do not host kids or people with children. And the reason being that you see, like, this is a single room, and then you have other people in other rooms, and people work different schedules. So we have somebody working like morning schedule, somebody works at night, and then when they come back in the morning, they want to sleep and rest. And then if you have a kid running around, there's no way that person is gonna sleep in peace. That's why we want to make sure that everybody is equipped with a good environment, that promotes success. If you're not sleeping at night, you're not gonna be performing well at work. So that's not what we want. So if you have kids, you can come without kids, and then you figure it out. Like if you work and then get a place and bring your kids, that's okay, but I will not host you with kids. Also, I'm thinking about like, if one DV lottery winner wins and then has a wife and then 3 kids, that's 5 people. So you're bringing only one DV lottery winner, but then with 4 people. So that's 5 spots that they're taking, which you could have just put 5 DV lottery winners. Because what or what if you don't understand is, if somebody wins a DV lottery, they can bring their family later. So I don't want you to occupy a space with your kids. They don't need to come now. They can come, if you can't afford, they can come in 3 years. But then somebody who won the DV lottery will lose that chance. So that's why we make sure that you're only hosting DV lottery winners. Derivatives and everybody, you have to come here, figure out how to bring them here. We just host only principal DV lottery winners. And it's because I don't want to host kids, but like as I explained, I just want to create an environment that promotes like, you know, success and people working, and I don't want like people to be sleep deprived because there's kids running around. I have other people sign up on my website who hosts kids. So if you have kids, do not be afraid. Just sign up on my website, and then I'll try to connect you with somebody in a different state. If they agree to host you with kids, they can go ahead and do that. But then just know that I won't be there. So if you're in Arizona, you're in California, Maryland, whatever, I can't control what they do to you because I'm not them. I can't control what they do to them. I can't control how they treat you. I can't control what they do for you. So if you get there, they don't want to get you a job, they don't want to do, I can't control that. I cannot control that. But if you're here, I know I can control everything. But here we only host principal applicant. Thanks for watching. I'll be giving you a tour of the other room. So this is the first one that's complete. I have 3 people that I'm already hosting. So we'll do an interviews. I don't know, I hope they're not shy. So we'll do interviews with them so they can tell you their experience, their journey from over there from Africa to here. For right now, bye and thanks for watching.